about you, ma'am? Miss October.
Miss October. I like my fruits and vegetables and all of that. My big weakness are.
So 80% nutrition, 20% exercise. So let's say you guys working on both of them. Do any of y'all work out? I know you work out. You work out? How many times you work out a day?
A day?
Yeah, well, a week.
A week? 3 maybe.
3? Okay, so like Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays.
Yeah, it'll vary. Usually just cardio and the push-ups and sit-ups.
Cardio, push-ups, sit-ups. Okay. Are you on a particular diet plan or whatever? Okay. Okay. So how you execute that? Now, if you're gonna work out, this is what you're gonna have to do. The 80% that you're gonna have to focus on is you're gonna have to eat. So say for example, you have to put on calories so you can burn it off. That is very, very important. And what I normally tell people is, you know, and it don't have to, nobody don't really necessarily have to go through this, but this is a perfect diet regimen that I normally do. Eat 6 times a day, 3 meals, 3 snacks. But you're gonna have to go through periods of time that you eat every 2 to 3 hours. That's how your metabolism will regulate. Now, you don't necessarily have to eat 3 big meals. That's not what I'm trying to tell you guys. But you have to consume at least every 3 hours. And, you know, that's how your body's going to regulate. So if you go through stretches that, okay, I eat at 8 o'clock in the morning, then I wait till 4 o'clock p.m. to eat, that's not doing you injustice. That's what that's going to do is your body's going to go through a shock. And a wise man once said, if you go times that I'm starving, that means you're stupid. Not literally, but you guys get my drift though, right? Right. And so you have to consume meals or whatever. This is about 200 to 300 calories right there. Okay, cool. That's a good start for your breakfast right there. Women, I will say between 250 300. Men, about at least 300 to 400 calories that should have for breakfast. That's a good breakfast. Anything that's beyond from that is too much. Why? Because you're fooling yourself up. That's another way you're gonna add on extra weight. You're gonna feel more tired and sluggish going to work. And I think that's what everybody they so worried about when they're going into work. They don't want to feel full and tired whenever they eat that first meal. You have to portion your food. That's very important right there. You also got to portion your food. So what time do you think in a day that work for you guys?
10 to 8.
10 to 8. Okay. Do that then. Do whatever works. Just make time to also focus on your fitness goals. That's all you can do. So.
Some people say eating late is bad, and other people say
it is bad. Try to cut off at least between 7 to 8 o'clock.
Oh.
Yeah. So that's pretty much what it is. But if you're gonna, whatever the time you get up early, that's the time you have to start and make your meals. And meal prep is pretty much the best option. Whatever, if you guys meal prep, you know, it's better because you save time, money, and energy, so you won't have to, you know, feel like you so much in a rush mode. But so like the days that you guys have an off day or whatever, those are the times that I would do meal prepping right there. So, but anybody else have any more questions? Anybody have any questions with anything though?
So if you're doing a workout and doing a protein shake, do it before you work out rather than after you work out.
Now here's the thing. If you're gonna do a protein shake, I would take it after working out.
Do it after.
After working out. All the reason why, because I mean, after you work out, you gotta give your time about at least the 30-minute limit to at least get some protein into your system to recover and restore those body muscles. Yep, that's very important right there.
What about when to work out? I like to work out at night. Is there a difference between working out in the morning or working out in the evening?
I mean, it's no difference at all. As long as you get it in, that's all that matters. As long as you get it in and you dedicate to yourself with that.
And is there a certain time? You like to work out an hour? You like half hour? Is there a certain? Because I do cardio, lifting, or whatever. I mean, I do.
You just have to know.
Cardio, 30
yeah, you just have to know what your limits are. What are your limits? So that's pretty much what it is. You just have to know what you can do. I normally do at least an hour and a half. What you can do. I normally do at least an hour and a half. People, I mean, everybody, this functions different. You know, you have to get whatever here. How long are you guys working? You guys do like 10-hour shifts?
Or? Yeah, the stores are longer, yes. The
okay.
factories.
Okay, so what times do you think in a day that work for you guys?
10 to 8.
10 to 8. Okay. Do that then. Do whatever works. Just make time to also focus on your fitness goals. That's all you can do. So.
Some people say eating late is bad, and other people say
it is bad. Try to cut off at least between 7 to 8 o'clock.
Oh.
Yeah. So that's pretty much what it is. But if you're gonna, whatever the time you get up early, that's the time you have to start and make your meals. And meal prep is pretty much the best option. Whatever, if you guys meal prep. Water, H2O, water.
Even orange juice has a lot of sugar in it.
Orange juice do have juice, sodas, too much sugar.
Water is my favorite drink. I drink a lot. But my nutritionist also said, what you spoke of earlier about eating at least every 3 hours.
Yeah.
Every 3 to 4 hours.
Yes.
Small portions, but not large.
Yeah, well, small portions.
And drink a lot of
Yeah,
water.
you got to. Now, back to the topic on water. You know, if you guys are drinking a gallon of water, you don't necessarily have to you don't necessarily have to drink the whole water in an hour. You don't, not the gallon. I wouldn't expect you guys to do that. But take sips of it, make it last for you till the end of the day, right there. That's gonna be very important, right there. Just gives you a great chance to break down on your body, and that's pretty much what it is. But 200 calories though. Do you know how many calories this is? And then you can get that out of breakfast?
That's a lot.
It is a lot.
Couple eggs.
A lot of eggs.
Yeah. Actually, no, a couple of eggs wouldn't do that much, but a meal. So, here's the thing what I'm going to tell you guys. It's important to start your day off with a warm breakfast. Cereal, if you're in a rush, that's okay, but I want preference a cold meal to start your day off. Warm meal is going to be
Does anybody have any final questions? I know we usually got to drive to stores before we open.
okay.
Anybody have any questions before we wrap up?
Lewis, where do you have the chocolate almonds at North Point?
Good question.
I'll bring
Yes,
some.
sir.
I have a question on that protein canister, because a couple of years I've been having that once a day.
Oh, okay. How's it? Do you like it?
I do.
Okay.
Are protein shakes good, or is it just
Okay,
more
so protein shakes are good. Protein shakes are good. So, what I would say is, I normally won't get protein shakes, just for, like convenience stuff. That's just my thing. I'd rather just get it from like GNC type of things. Or if you guys do Herbalife, this is what I definitely would recommend right here, these shakes. And the thing about it is, I did bring a blender so you guys can all take samples of the shakes.
I don't think we're going to have time for
What's
that.
the major
unfortunately.
difference between what I do and
Okay.